5,000 years later. Finally, it's still going, but not fast. Just made a drop now. I don't know.
One more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh.
I'm making a science project called water filter. We need clean water because without clean water, we won't be able to survive. We would just be drinking dirty water. We got this water from the pond in Central Park. As you can see, it's very dirty. I have a dirty water and I want to clean it by using these specific materials. 2 empty glass bottles, 1 bucket of sand, 1 bucket of charcoal, cotton, gravel, and iodine. Gravel filters out the biggest pieces. Sand filters out the finer pieces. And charcoal filters out the finest particles. To make the water safe to drink, we need to boil it or put iodine peels in it. I'm gonna put glue onto the strip line on the wood. Now I'm gonna put this wood and stick it where I put the glue. Now I'm going to cut the end of 2 bottles. I'm gonna drill in the holes. Now I will do some tests with this water. Now I'm going to look at the water under the microscope with the 2500 magnifying. Oh my gosh! There are more lines more circles, and more little dots. I made 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I put the middle thing to screw in the wood. So in the first bottle, there's the cotton covered by the piece of the bottle, and on top is sand and pieces of gravel. In the second bottle, there's cotton again, and then on top there is sand, activated coal, a little more of sand, and gravel. I put the sand on top of the activated coal, but then once I put it, the coal flew into the air because the coal is very soft and the sand is not that soft. So then I took a spoon and dug it out, and I placed the sand carefully, little by little, on top of the charcoal. And this is the explanation how the charcoal flew in the air. As you guys can see, there's a little bit of charcoal on the sand. Let's try the other one. As you guys can see, the water is taking longer to go because of the activated coal. The water is going slowly. As you can see, the coal is getting darker and darker. That means that's the water where it's going. For my next design, I have to do 2 things: less charcoal and better cotton filter. Finally, we've been waiting for the water to come into the cup, but now it started to come. As you guys can see, we need a lot of improvements. The water was dirtier than before. I'm gonna put the cotton in the first bottle. And now I'm gonna put this cotton in the second bottle. I'm gonna stand up to put the sand in both bottles, but little. Now I'm gonna do the second bottle. Now I'm gonna put gravel. put the activated charcoal inside here. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of calcium. I'm going to add sand. Now I'm gonna add gravel. Lead doesn't dissolve in water, but how does it get into the drink water? It is because of chlorine. I cut the lead and then I added chlorine to it and contaminate the water with the lead in it. I'm going to test the water.
Hold it to the camera so we can see. Which one is lead? Go to the lead that you can read. Can you turn it so that the camera shows?
Lead. It shows.
Wow. Okay. It's a very high level. So pour the water now.
The cotton filter in this bottle is very good. So you guys can see, the cotton filter is too good that the water is moving very slow, coming very slow, and is getting clean. And for this one, I put a lot of activated coal. 500 years later. Finally, the second cup has started. It's going very slow. 5,000 years later. Finally, it's still going, but not fast. Just made a drop now. And another. 500,000 years later. Finally, the water has finished. Now we're going to put the test strip into the first one.
Which one is lead? Oh wow. Move it over. There's so much more lead in it. Alright, still a lot of lead. Not as much, but still.
Now the second one.
Go deeper in the water. Okay. Let's compare. Compare it to that chart. The other way around. Still lead, but much less. Not bad.